So in order to do this, you need your onions in a totally irrelevant produce box. And then you need to dance around the box, so you give the onions a little bit of time to climb out of the box themselves. Alright, let's get back to work. Naturally, there are different sizes of onions, like this big boy, small, massive, and similar to human, onions do come in different colors. We call them onions of colors. Now, I truly believe that all onions should be treated the same no matter how they look. Before we start, just make sure that your knife is sharp, and we're going to start with peeling the onion. The basic principle is pretty simple. Top, bottom, half, and peel the top layer. Now let's start with the basic. Before we start with a knife, always remember, tuck your fingers and start slow. The key to this technique is to slice in clean strokes and do not be shy. Next up, we elevate the basic to the prep cook. This is what you do in the kitchen when you woke up hungover and have about an hour to prepare 20 kilos of onions. And then you realize that you forgot your ibuprofen, so you do a Darth Vader impersonation. No! And now behold the way of the Asians. And peeling is pretty simple. Top, bottom, half, but when you peel outwards. I honestly don't know why though. As Asians, we like to do things backwards. So you're gonna flip, and then you're gonna slice it from the center out, like that. This is when the recipe calls for thin slices, but you're so internally conflicted you don't know which way to go. So you decided to say, F it, I'm gonna do whatever the f I want. Now this is called the I go to a culinary school. For this you only need to cut off the tip, then half it, then peel it. We're gonna keep the root so the onion doesn't fall apart like your hopes and dreams. And what you want to do here is to slice along the onion, like so. And you're gonna push your knife into the onion, and then we start slicing. And do not waste the root. Yep, time consuming, but does the job. This technique is quite self-explanatory. What you need to do is you need to walk up to your onion and say this: "You're raw." And as you're slowly walking away, the onion will magically chop itself. And last but not least,